Damn it, girl, it hurts my pride. Thinking that I'm gonna text you, that you're gonna read it and not reply. Staying in every night. 'Cause I'm scared that I'm gonna see you fake another smile and just wonder why. We had to jump to assumptions, bottle up our emotions. I should've tried to change your mind. I keep lying to myself that it's better this way. I keep lying to your friends saying I'm doing great. All this time without you got me stuck in lying games. But it's useless, 'cause the truth is that I loved you honest. I loved you honest. Your love, all that I wanted. I loved you honest. I loved you honest. I loved you honest. I don't know how I can stop it. I love you honest. I miss the drunken nights with you, yeah. I hope that you still remember how we danced a tiny dancer all around your room. Never knew what I could lose, until I spent a month without you. I hate not being around you. What did we prove? We had to jump to assumptions, bottle up our emotions. I should've tried to change your mind.